Welcome back, warriors, to our healthy eating fitness vlog. Today I'm excited to share with you we have a special treat. We're going to be making a rainbow salad. This is one of those culinary looks that's going to look exquisite to the eye as well as taste incredible. For the ingredients we're going to be using today, we have organic baby kale, organic broccoli florets, matchstick carrots, grape tomatoes, yellow pepper, red onion, and English cucumber. And for our salad dressing, we'll be making homemade honey mustard vinaigrette. We'll be using red wine vinegar, golden light agave sweetener, Dijon mustard, extra virgin olive oil, oregano, salt, and black pepper. Now, as you guys know, we always start off by washing our fruits and vegetables using this little gadget right here. If you're new to this channel, you can get this on Amazon. Very quick and simple to make. All you do is you place your content, whether it's the fruits or vegetables, inside the strainer. We normally put about a quarter of vinegar and then the rest about like 3/4 of cold water. In here, it has a top that you use for spinning, a spinner on top. Let me show it to you. This little gadget right here, you just place on and then you just press down. As you press down, as you see, it spins. That's how you're going to be able to clean off your fruits and vegetables. Once you're done, you just strain out the content, you empty out or pour out the water and vinegar, then you wash it with just regular water, and then the last run you just leave as far as the fruits or vegetables in there by itself and you air dry it with that spinner. So we're going to go ahead with the process. Follow along.